Hello, my name is Omdev, and I'm a business development manager of Suflam Technologies Private Limited. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your territories into Bizon 365 e-commerce platform. So once you logged into the admin panel, you will be able to see all the menus on the left side. And when you click on a master, under the master menu, there is a sub menu location. Once you click on it, this form will be open, where you can see the city and states. Here are all the cities and here are all the states. So first you can create city state from here. You just have to write down the name of the state. And let me write down. So I'm writing the one state, selecting in country and adding a new state. So once it is done, this message will display here. And as you can see, this state has been added here. If you want to change anything, then you can click on this pen icon and pop-up will be open. You can change here. Okay, it will be edited. If you want to delete any states, from here you can delete. Okay, once the state has been added, after that these states will be displayed here. So and here you can create all the cities. You can define cities where you want to provide your services. Let me write down the name of a city and select any particular state. If you can activate or deactivate any territories. If you deactivate, then this city will not come when user is signing up. Okay, so I'm adding this city. So this message will be displayed here, and in this list you can search also. If you as you can see, I have searched Chennai, and on the 2 letter the city came out. So you can edit that city later on if you want. You can deactivate, you can activate, deactivate from here as well, and delete from here. You can search deactivated cities from here. Okay, so this is the territory option where you can define your territories, so user can select those cities. So I hope this video is helpful. You can create your own online store in a few clicks from Bizon 365. You can contact us or go to bizon365.com. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.